Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a quick update video that I am working on some new content. I'm also, as you might see by the empty shelves, in a complete reorg, like the mess, the floor. You're not getting a photo of that. That's just nuts. And I do need to work on the audio because I'm just pulling this off my phone very quickly. But I just wanted to say that, yeah, I am working on some new content. I've got some new products to test out for cameras. This is lighting products. And I have a couple other audio solutions and a bunch of other stuff coming up. So yeah, GH6 content definitely coming out. Astro content, I've got some really cool processing content to talk to you about. And overall, I just want to say, yeah, here I am working on stuff, and I hope to have this all figured out by the end of the day. And by the end of the day, we hope by the end of the week, by the end of the month. Who knows? Anyway, but yeah, so that's what I got right now. I'm going to put something else in the corner here. I'm going to have my plant, because it's a pretty big plant right there. I'll have some more product boxes over here in this corner here, so that I can take them off the wall and sort of stack them up there. Just kind of a cool thing to do. I don't know, it just shows that I have some products, but that's sort of what I was thinking of. Along the top here, I'm debating if I should put some stuff up here, or if I should put, like, again, some product boxes along the top. Let me know what you think. But generally I'm going to have over here, my plan is to put a medium format camera, probably a film camera over here. Below here, I'm going to work on some stuff. Down below this level here is storage. There's 2 shelves down here, and those will be all my film boxes, etc., that people don't need to see on a daily basis, etc. Now, as I said, I got this little light here. I've got 4 of them, so my thinking is that they will fit right here. 1, 2, maybe not right here, definitely down here, 3, because they'll be outside the path, but definitely up here. Yeah, definitely up here they'll fit. And that's sort of what I was thinking of in terms of, like, these little guys. That's why I was quite happy to review them for basically send me, like, you know, 120 bucks worth of product. I'll review it. Normally I don't want to review anything this cheap, but because it's something I actually can see myself using, I'll review it and see if it works. Because if it works for my solution, it just saved me 120 bucks out of my own pocket. Woo, 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 woo. Always good to save some money. What else am I doing here? Oh, yes. I'm currently looking at getting a lightsaber and an anamorphic lens. I know those 2 things probably sound completely wacko that I said in the same sentence. But basically, with the GH6, there is a anamorphic mode in it. So getting a 2x anamorphic lens, sticking it on the front, that allows me to get some really cool, like, wide angle anamorphic stuff, cool flares, all that other stuff, allowing me to be a little bit more cinematic. I don't know, we'll see how that goes. And as for the lightsaber, well, I do like the light sticks. I should grab one. Well, I do like these light sticks, and they do have that lightsaber-ish look. They are actually made from a series of LEDs, and then this panel here. I guess I could get, like, an extra wrap about them, but they only go halfway. So getting, like, a lightsaber for about, I don't know, what I'm going to say, $160, that's what, $130 US, so about $130 US, get a lightsaber. That looks cool. I can run around the woods with it for some cool, like, low light testing, anamorphic stuff. I did get a filter ring, and I have some filters showing up. One's blue streak, one's red streak, or gold streak, or amber streak, or whatever it is, for, like, cool anamorphic flaring, so I can actually control the anamorphic flaring. And then, what else do I have coming? Ooh, the dream filter, which is basically like if you took a filter and then you took, like, some, not baby oil, shoot, what's it called? Vaseline. Yeah, you take some Vaseline, like petroleum oil, and you know, smear it over the lens. Yeah, so I got a filter like that, because obviously you don't want to do that. Like, older, like, people used to do that, but then the concern is to get that oil on actual optics. It's a major pain to clean, so they actually came up with this thing. It's like Pro Mist and other stuff like this. I got one called Dream Filter, which takes that effect to, like, the max. So that's sort of what I'm up to. I've got this little light here. I'm going to keep working on this studio today, and hopefully get it up and working, and then we can get back into doing some photography content super soon. And that's it for me today, this weekend. That's why I'm not posting some GH footage, but I did shoot a hockey game, so that will be coming soon. yeah, I learned a lot of things about shooting hockey games because it's been a while since I've done it, and the last time I did it, I was in a much bigger arena, and I was significantly farther away from the action than this time, so I was like, oh, 800 millimeter equivalent lens, small arena, not as good a combo as you might think. Anyway, that's it for me. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video as I continue to move stuff, including this giant desk. I got moved from over here, right here, to here, which is what this camera will be sitting on then. Although it will be an actual camera, not my iPhone with absolutely no audio, because, you know, I don't have my audio in a bunch of really weird places. So that's it. Sorry for the delay in videos this week, but that's what it is. But I got some really cool videos coming up. Hoping Thursday, Friday, and then probably another one on the weekend. And then next week we'll be back to the normal, regular scheduled content, which is I have no schedule. I literally just post this stuff as I make it. Boom!